Hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. We have Nathan Anderson's 2000 Mustang GT back on the dyno today. And for those of you that watch our dyno videos, y'all probably remember this car. We dynoed it previously with the Dorman intake manifold, and down in the comments, a lot of you requested that we dyno the car again with a Ford Performance or the Ford Original PI intake manifold. Well, that's what we're gonna do today. We went ahead and swapped the intake manifolds, and everything else in the car has remained unchanged. Now, as far as the dyno technical information is concerned, this is a 4R70W 4-speed automatic car. Technically, the 1-to-1 ratio is third gear, but to be honest with you, it's hard to get the older cars to hold third gear, so we're just gonna keep it simple and do a second gear pull. Plus, we did a second gear pull with the Dorman intake manifold, so we'll have a good apples to apples comparison. It does have a factory steel drive shaft, 327 rear gear, and out back, that's a SVE 2000 Cobra R style wheel with a 275/35/18 tire. We still have 93 octane fuel in the tank, and y'all know the drill. We're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go, and we're gonna make a hit. All right, folks, before we take a look at some results, let's talk about the results from the Dorman intake manifold. It made 199.6 horsepower, but for simplicity reasons, we'll just go ahead and say 200 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque. Well, with the Ford Original PI intake manifold, the car's making 210 horsepower and 238 pound-feet of torque. Simple math is gonna give us 10 horsepower and 13 pound-feet of torque. Peak gains, but more importantly, past 4,000 RPM, you can really see where the Ford Performance intake manifold starts to open up over the Dorman intake, and the curve gains are even greater than the peak gains. So for those of you that have a 4R70W 99 to 04 car, this is what you can expect if you go from a Dorman intake back to the Ford Original intake. As always, hope you found a ton of value with this video. If you'd like to know a little bit more about the Dorman intake and the Ford Performance intake, we did do a deep dive video on both of those where we talk about them in a little bit greater detail, show you some up-close shots, and we even have a little bit more dyno technical data in that video as well, and you can check it out down in the video description. That's all we have for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and until we catch you in the next one, y'all know what to do for all things New Edge Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.